Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one oi Great Dane, back with day 174 Star Trek opening. So, let's see what we got. Epic! Oh, wow. Okay, I got a spray for a brawler that I can't access right now. It's interesting.
Rare.
Rare? 100 XP doublers?
Rare.
And rare. I think it'd even make more sense at 25 power points if I got the kit spray or something, but the fact that I got the Larry and Lawrie spray is interesting. Though something else I should probably mention is today is the last day to claim your Brawl Days rewards. But the reason that's somewhat significant is because, again, I think I already pointed this out, but you can't actually find Miko or Maiko, however you're preferring to pronounce his name, in the catalog yet, because they don't want you to buy his pins when you can get them for free, because then it starts this whole thing where you have to report an issue to the Brawl Stars team about essentially paying for something you should have got for free, and it just creates this whole issue. So their way of fixing that, this essentially came up when they made the Chuck offer, the early access offer for Chuck. I'm assuming they're doing the same thing for Kit, because again, if you look at the catalog, you'll notice Kit isn't in the catalog. And I'm pretty sure that's even the case if you've unlocked him. Also, something else that's weird that I wanted to point out while looking at Reddit of people complaining about Kit is unless you pay the $30 for the early access, you can't even try him in the training cave or map to try to predict if you want to buy him, which I think is a little silly. Hopefully that's an error on their end and they will fix that, but I'm not really sure. So, I don't think anything too important has happened since yesterday. We've got some tropical offers in the shop right before New Year's, interestingly enough. So Beach Time Mortis Dino Lee on some coins if you guys want that. Daily freebie, I have 15 coins. And for today, I have 100 XP doublers and 16,041 power points. Again, I'm still determining if I should get the kit thing because he looks to be incredibly overpowered right now, but at the same time, it's still $30, so I'm not 100% sure. Again, let me know if you guys are going to be picking up Kit if you think he's really annoying. I've been trying to gain more trophies on Miko recently, and it's certainly been interesting facing against different kits, because as most people will mention, if you play against Kit, specifically when he uses his super on offense, it's just unreasonably hard to dodge for some reason. So it's pretty much a guaranteed kill once he jumps off you if he's doing enough damage. So yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking so far, and let's see how far you can take this.